Okay, hi everyone. This is the instructional video for EL lighting. Okay, what do we need for this activity? Okay, we need a template of your design, or you can choose to design your own. Okay, a styrofoam board. In this case, it's an A4 size. Okay, pencil, a scriber, super glue, and your EL lighting. Okay, the one that we have here is 3 meters long. Okay, and in blue color. They may come in many other various colors. Okay, the one that we have here is pink. Alright, in this case we will be using blue. Okay, alright, so let's start. Let's put this away. As we start out with our design. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to actually transfer the design onto the styrofoam board. So of course I need to of course you can actually trace it over because the pencil itself is pretty sharp. Okay, what I can do is I just run it over. Okay, I press it down, so after that I kind of embed the design onto the styrofoam board. Okay, if you uh, if you have a level of artistic you have a higher artistic level than I do, okay, you can always design your your own design onto the board. Okay, of course, for simplicity's sake, I am just going to trace it over the design onto the styrofoam board. Okay, alright. Okay, maybe you are unable to see, but that is already the design is already okay embedded onto the foam board. So now it's easy for me to do the design. Now I make sure it's visually clear. Alright, it's clear. Okay, okay, need to be accurate. Okay, you might want to personalize your design. It's up to you. Okay. Alright, so that's my cat. Okay, maybe I want to change it a bit because I think this is a bit off. Okay, modify this. Alright, so maybe that's about right. Okay, that's my cat. Okay. Yeah, it's okay, pretty much. Okay, so so we have this. Alright, so now I already have my design here. So what I'm going to do, I do not need this anymore. I'll just put that aside. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the EL light along the lines. It's as simple as that. Okay, so what do we do? So as a start, we need to poke a hole. Okay, using the scriber, be careful, it's sharp. Okay, this is my start point. Alright, and this is my end point. Alright, alright, okay. Alright, so what I need to do is I'm going to run the EL light throughout, okay, on board the line. Okay, at the same time, alright, the EL light, I want to take note, you guys need to check this out. Alright, this is the part where you need to be a bit more careful. Okay, the EL light, as you can see, alright, it's pretty flimsy in a sense, but it can do a turn, a twist, and things like that. But if it's like here we have a sharp end, okay, if you bend it way too much, okay, the internal wiring may break. So what do we do? Okay, we need to actually make a hole down here. Okay, I will tell you why. Alright, tell you why. Okay, shortly. One here and two here. Okay, and turn here so it's way too sharp. Alright, one here and another one maybe just about here. Alright, I'll tell you why so. Okay, so this is where it starts. Alright, the EL light, take it all the way to the end. Okay, I'm going to stretch it out. Alright, so before we actually do the threading, alright, we need to check whether the EL light is functioning. Alright, okay, so now the EL light is functioning, we know that everything is okay. Alright, some of you will have a small notch down here. Okay, you have to take out the notch. Okay, so after that it's easy for you to thread through. Okay, I'm going to just turn it off. Okay, you can see there are different modes of the light. Okay, lighting sequence. Okay, Now we thread through. Okay, the hole there, we thread through. Okay, the hole is not big enough, just poke through again. Okay, so I'm going to thread through all the way to the end. All the way through. Okay, so we're going to leave a bit of excess. Okay, alright, just leave a bit of excess. Done. Okay, so we need to thread through. Alright, and for this, okay, you may want to use some masking tape to help you with taping, okay, as you go along. Okay, but in my case, since I already have the glue for my easy access, okay, I am simply going to just use the glue and just dab it away. There is no need for you to squeeze too much. You're just going to see, I'm not going to put in too much. I'm just going to just dab it along the line. Okay, slowly squeeze a bit. Alright, and just the other. Okay, and as you go along, okay, and you lay on top. Okay, again, see that? Okay, as you can see, it's very strong already, secured. Just a bit again. All you need is just to apply a bit, just a bit. Okay, so after it will dry fast. Do not put too much. If you put too much, it will simply smear all over your design. Okay, I am applying very little. Okay, simple as I apply very little here and there, so it dries up fast and you can move along. It was very neat. Alright. I think so it's easier for you to handle. Okay, a bit more. Do I need to glue on every area? No, no need to. So glue a bit dry faster. Okay, so here. Secure that. Let's leave it this way because I don't want the wire, the internal wire, to break. Just damage the wire. Okay. Okay, here. And thread it through the other side. Alright. Thread it through. Okay. So now this thing is popping up a bit. It's okay. I'm just going to just apply a bit of glue there. Just a bit to secure. And along the line here. Okay, and then have it. Okay. Oops. Okay, again on the other side. Okay, since any sharp turn, okay, that you think that it's difficult to bend the wire, the EL wire. Okay, let's create a hole and thread it through. Okay, and leaving just a bit behind. Okay, you don't want to have too much tension on it. Okay, and you have it. And you continue with your threading. Again, I'm just applying just enough because I don't need to. Just enough. Okay, this part we can just overlap. Alright, the wire will be overlapping. Okay, so here. Okay, apply on the line. Okay, right here and here. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's a bit off, it's fine. Okay, the important thing is just have fun. Alright. Okay, guys. To the end already. Okay, here we go. it off, it's okay. And finish it off here. And we come to the end of the design. Look up through. And there we have it. Okay, and I'll just lock it in place. Yep, and we are done. Okay, well, the excess on the wire, okay, do not cut it. You may want to design, you might want to write down your initials, things like that, or okay, just put this away. Okay, you can draw your initials. Well, in this case I just want to bind it up, the extras. Okay, should you need to do other designs that you want to, okay, to incorporate into your current design that you already have, okay, you can always utilize this later on. Alright, how do I bundle this up? Okay, alright, done, and we just keep it to the end. Alright, so now we are left with testing it. Alright, let's turn off the lights. Let me just give it a short demo, and voila, there you go. Okay, so this is the finished product that we have done. Okay, I hope you all enjoy.